Happy birthday! How old are you today, Emma? 3. Want to show me what you got from Grandmommy and Poopa? Come on, let's go see. What'd you get? Show me.
A package.
A package? What was in the package?
A toy.
What is it?
Toy.
Toys. What'd you get? A new dollhouse?
Yes, a new dollhouse.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah, I know you do.
And empty it. And put them on here. Okay, Poopa. Okay, it's out. It's very nice. Ooh, it's so big. Yucky.
What are you doing? What you got there? Tables? Who's in the bath?
A dog.
Oh, the girl?
That's a dog. That's a dog on the roof.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh no. She found a slide.
Tuesday. No, it may be Tuesday. Whee! Mama, Daddy, ow! Are you alright? Alright. Oh, that's it, me. Whee!
Whoa. Hi, baby. Are you playing with your dollhouse? Can they go in the door? Goes both ways. Silly. Say thank you, Grandmommy and Poopa.
I do Honey Poopa.
Say I love you.
Love you.
Blow him a kiss. Oh, that's nice. Ready?
Is that the video camera?
Presents.
You got presents.
I got a big elephant.
Oh,
Where's your yellow present?
I'll let her.
Baby.
Here, you want to sit in your chair?
Yes.
Here, sit in the birthday girl chair. Just let her do her thing.
Okay.
That one's taped. Here, open this one.
Okay.
I got it. You want to get the scissors and cut the tops of those right there?
Yeah, what do you have?
Oh,
What is it? Cooties!
it's Joey.
Michael, over there by the
Open
paper
it.
towels.
He might open it.
Here, Daddy, cut this right here. Sit down, baby.
Who gave me this?
Mommy.
I think Karen.
Wait, let her open it.
Oh.
Daddy helped. You get to build bugs. It's a game, actually. I never knew it was a game. We can play with it and put it together later. Do you want to open another one? Really? Oh my God, look at all those parts. I didn't know they were going to be all stuck together either.
Oh, look.
Oh, they got...
We get our card. We got our card.
Ooh. Look, Mama.
Yeah, Mommy will help you put that together, okay?
Okay.
Oh boy, what is it?
Yeah, look at this one.
Say hi.
Hey, Emma's birthday.
Happy birthday! You know what that is? It's a fishing game.
Oh, you got a fishing game, huh?
Getting good at unwrapping presents. Here, get close to her.
Who's the card? Huh?
Is
Who's
it
the
from
card?
Daddy?
Now who's on the cover? See who's on the cover?
Dora, and it says
Dora.
number 3.
And what's the monkey's name? Is that Boots?
It doesn't open right there, does it? Oh, it's stickers.
Oh, stickers.
Oh, she's trying to get the stickers off, Daddy. Is that,
You
yeah.
want the stickers?
She just loves stickers. Let her do it. She wants to do everything. She's big girl. You gonna put them on your card? Read the card to us, Daddy. If you can. She's gonna do stickers now.
Dora is a wishing fairy on this special day. She's granting birthday wishes and sending love your way. Say yo deseo and wish. Happy birthday. Feliz cumpleaños.
Happy birthday, Emma.
Feliz cumpleaños. Happy birthday, Emma.
Give Daddy a hug and a kiss.
Look at that. Mwah.
For Mama?
Is it for you? Oh. Where's that at?
Hi. Mama's here too.
Where's Mama?
Where's Emma? You got her doing that voice.
I know. Where's Emma?
Emma, are you having a good birthday?
Yes. Look, the orange nut.
Orange one.
Look, the orange and the
Let me say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Mama.
Say hi, Poppy.
Hi, Bobby.
And Grandmommy and Poopaw, right? Say hi, Grandmommy.
Hi, Mama, Mommy.
Say hi, Poppy. Say hi, Poopaw. Say hi, Poopaw.
I like it.
She talked to them on the phone. They called her.
I did?
Yeah.
No, find it.
Did my parents call?
One's from Daddy.
It's it.
Look, tape.
It's on my dog.
I like watching what she does with the stuff when she opens it. She took the bow off her head. They're right there. You need an M&M before you can continue.
How cute?
It's so cute. What is it? Rip it.
You want Daddy to help?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just going to do a little bit, okay?
Yeah, I want her to see this.
Alright, what else do you do?
Oh yeah, that paper didn't tear.
Look, I'll get this part too.
Watch out for your M&Ms. Daddy can't open it either.
Daddy needs scissors. Daddy, you did it. Alright, there you go. Let's see what you do.
Whoops, can't see Emma. You got a camera, you're right.
Did she say camera?
Yeah, she did. Open it right away, Daddy.
Got a camera.
Look at Mommy. Let me see, get a picture for you.
Show Mama.
Look, Mama.
She's like, look, it's right here. She won't look up, that's okay. Hey, there you are.